Hi friends, hi, good morning, and welcome back to the Lamberley Garden. I am Glecy, and yeah, it's time for another garden tour slash update. Usually when I'm recording, it's usually in the evening. This is the first time that I'm bringing you guys to my garden early in the morning, because at different times of the day your garden looks differently. So let's check out what's going on in the garden. I have lots of things to show you, y'all, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna try not to say excited that much today, because y'all be making fun of me sometimes, because I be excited. All right, let's start over here. Okay, so once again, these are my tomatoes that are in bags. These are my Roma tomatoes. Look at all of the flowers. Do you guys see down there? Boop boop, tomato right there. Let me see if I can get them around here. There you go. We got some tomatoes. We have a ton of flowers on here, y'all. More little tomatoes there. It's almost that time. This is, I think this is what they call it? I think this is another Roma tomato. This one, for some reason, is not looking very happy. Like, pan out some. I don't know what's going on with it. Like, I mean, it looks fine, but it just, you see, we got some curly leaves, and I might just give these a drink of some fertilizer today. I mean, it's growing. It just don't look that happy. So, that's 1, 2, 3. This is another tomato plant that I have growing in grow bags. Now, I think this is my only indeterminate. This one might be an indeterminate as well. I'm not positive, but I think this is a indeterminate that is growing. We have some blooms here. Can you see that? So I'll finally be able to see what kind of tomato this is. Because I was having issues with what kind of tomatoes, because yeah, we're not going to talk about it. Anyway, over here is my 2 zucchini plants. That's all this is. It's 2. One is over here. And I was trying to grow these vertically so you can kind of see these little cages, but y'all, the zucchini was like, I cannot be tamed. But this is looking good. I was trying to see if I had any female flowers in there yet, but I don't see them. Those are all males. Let's look in this one. That's a big bug. I'm gonna need you to get away from me, bro. Let's see. Still up. I see one. I'm pretty sure. Over there. Yes, it is. It just hasn't opened up yet. There's actually a few down in there, which is so cool. Y'all see that? I said cool instead of exciting. Oh, it might be some down in there too. Make sure that I keep an eye on those, because I plan on hand pollinating those in the beginning, because I just want to ensure germination. So, not germination, pollination. So I'm going to hand pollinate those. So I'll be out here looking so I can get me some zucchini. All right. So yes, 2 zucchinis that are growing in this 4x4. And then all of this here are green beans. Y'all, they green beaning. They are doing this thing. I know I got some green beans. There they go. Y'all see them? And so many flowers. So this is 3 plants. Look at that. This is 3 plants of green beans. More green beans. Let's see if any growing on this one. Yeah, we got some little ones coming. Yeah. So green beans is one of those things that I'm trying to grow enough for the whole year. My son loves them. Although after I made them collard greens last time, he was like, Mom, the collards might be my favorite. So yeah, those are the green beans. Here is my hot peppers. No, I don't think this is powdery mildew. It's way too early for that. I just think, I don't know. But it's not on all of them. Like, everything looks good, but I have 2 or 3 of those leaves that have this little, but I don't think this is powdery mildew, but I'm not quite sure. Y'all let me know in the comments. These are the hot peppers that I have over here. I mean, they don't look the best, but they don't look bad. We'll see. It still is a little cool outside, so maybe they just haven't really taken off. This is, I don't know if y'all remember that video where I broke the Jimmy Nardello pepper. This is that Jimmy Nardello pepper that I broke. She looking good. Oh, I guess he looking good. And then these tomatoes are tomatoes that one of my neighbors gave me. So I will get those planted eventually. This is an early Jersey Wakefield cabbage that's actually looking really nice. It's starting to put a head on, which is nice. Still didn't plant those sweet potato slips. Don't judge me. These are my potatoes. All these potatoes are looking good. I peeked at the bottom and I still didn't see anything in there, so. But you're not supposed to pick them until they flower, die back, all that good stuff. So they're doing good. This is the first wave right here, and then in this bag is the second wave. And I will plant another wave of potatoes once I harvest the first one. All right, what else we got here? So this is my lemon tree. You know, I don't really know nothing about it, so I don't know if it look good or not. This is garlic. First year growing garlic. So I don't really know what to expect. Hopefully some garlic. Okay, these are empty. I poured some kale out of that. I don't know what was poured out of here, but I plan on planting some green beans. This is, let me go outwards. Okay, so this is one of my main garden beds. So tucked in is onions. You guys see how those onions are bulbing up so nicely. I was very pleasantly surprised. I just kind of moved the dirt from around them just to give them more space. But yes, the onions are tucked all around this bed. Look good to me. And then my collard greens, again, y'all, remember I just cut these collard greens. And look at them. Y'all, they doing this thing. So I'm probably going to have to cut these soon, just so that they keep on growing and producing. I want all the collard greens. And this is only, this right here, this is one plant. This is all one plant. Yeah. Over there is another one. But this is my broccolini. Oh, I dropped one last night. My broccolini. I've gotten 2 harvests off of these thus far. Hoping that I can get at least 1 more harvest off of them before I pull the plants. But as long as they're producing, I'm gonna let them produce. This here, something was digging. You see that down there? Something was digging, and I found another place that something was digging. So I'm pretty sure I know what happened to my green beans. But this is a white lady tomato. You see we have some blooms here. First time growing this tomato. When you come out and you're looking in your garden, just tap your tomato plants like that. Helps the pollen get where it needs to go. This is a lemon boy. You can see we got flowers here. It's looking very good. Oh, some flowers at the bottom too. Hey y'all. Oh, and over here. What? Okay. And then this is a mystery tomato. I don't know which variety this is. All I know is that I grew it from seed and it's thriving. So I'm gonna give it a little shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your tomatoes. Y'all can see I got aphids. Sometimes I'll take it off. Sometimes I leave it, y'all. I don't even know. But yes, this is looking good. This one, I want to say is an indeterminate tomato though because of how bushy it is. It's very, very, very bushy. Nevertheless, it looks amazing. I think this is a sunflower. I did throw like a couple sunflowers just on the side of this bed. These are my pickling cucumbers. Been very slow. But I grew those from seed. I direct sowed those actually. They're taking off slowly, but I'm just glad that they're not dead. This is basil right here. So more onions. That's another sunflower. This is my early girl. This is the one that started it all. You can see we got tomatoes there, not blushing yet. Got another set here, another set there, and they come all the way up. They come all the way up. So hopefully we can get some tomatoes off of there soon. And then this is another mystery tomato, but it's looking pretty good. Then my collards. Here the other, oh, I dropped another broccolini. Y'all cannot be dropping food, like taking food out my kid's mouth. This is more onions. You guys can see the onions here. You can see some of them haven't bulbed up and look as nice as the others. So I'm gonna get in there and check them out. This is another tomato. Got some flowers and blooms going on there. This is my pepper plant. We got some peppers on here, down in there. More growing. This is looking good. So once again, pepper plant growing in grow bags, y'all. Broccoli, lettuce here, y'all. And my Dollar Tree stackables is so nice. It is so pretty. I love this lettuce. Like, it looks so good. I'm planning on starting some more lettuce, but we'll see where. I'm not sure yet. So we're gonna go over to my brassica bed. I don't know if y'all remember, but the last garden tour, I said that if things weren't producing, it had to go. I don't have time to let stuff stay that's not going to do what it's supposed to do. And I guess that little pep talk with my plants made them get themselves together, because y'all look. Look at these brassicas. The broccoli said, what? We need to start heading up? Oh, okay. I'm gonna head up, all right? And then this one was like, oh, I gotta get it together? Yes, I'm gonna get it together. And then this one was like, oh, me too. How am I gonna wear? And this one said the same thing. Y'all, what we doing here? Wait a minute. I gotta go to the other side. So yes, hello, yes. And this one I said that I didn't want to get rid of because it was looking good. And I'm still letting it go. You can see a little something trying to do something down there. But then look, y'all, that is 5 heads of broccoli. Like, what? What? 5. Anyway, I'm very excited about that. Very excited. This is my best broccoli year thus far. Okay, so the next thing are my peppers. These are all sweet peppers and Jimmy Nardello peppers. They all are doing pretty good. Nice and green, got some flowers. Y'all, these are from them little helicopter things. Wait a minute, where is it? You see it? Y'all, I'm so sick and tired of pulling those out my garden. These are my more green beans. So these are weeks behind the other green beans I showed you earlier. I have succession planted green beans, and I'm actually going to start some more green beans today, probably in those Dollar Tree stackables over there. Yeah, that's the plan. And then, so these are bush beans, bush beans. This is the dragon tongue beans. And you see this? Something has been digging. So I'm pretty sure they probably took up the other green beans, but I'm glad I have at least 2 of the dragon tongues. And I might direct sow some more here, but I'm not sure. My regular cucumbers. This is from those cucumbers that were overseeded that I bought, and I separated them and I made like 8 or 9. These 2 are from that bunch, and as you can see, it's starting to try to grow up the trellis. Like, I've been trying to like weave it through so I can start making it grow up this little archway. So that's nice. So for those that have never grown cucumbers, what they have are these little tendrils, and these tendrils will attach to whatever it can attach to. Like, it don't care. It will attach to you if you stand out there long enough. So I've been trying to like feed it through like that, and then once it gets a little bit taller, I'll take it through this one, and then we'll just go back and forth. Okay. Oh, y'all, look at this. Remember I said the cabbage, if it wasn't heading up, I had to go? That one's starting to head up. Now, I do need to get some slug stuff, because the last couple mornings I've come out here, I've had to, what is that? I've had to get rid of slugs. So I do gotta get something for the slugs. And then this is the last of the kale. I had to pull the other 2 kale because the grow bag got super duper dry, so it was dead on me. But I might start some more kale. This is another mystery tomato. This is a San Marzano. But yeah, that brassica bed is, y'all, I was pleasantly surprised. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you made it to the end, there's a special place in my heart for you. Make sure that you guys share the channel. If you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps me out a lot to get this information out to other people. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Just remember, all you got to do is put some seeds in the ground. Bye, guys.